Hi, it's Dr. Epstein. I'm with a patient who is 10 months out from just over 2,000 FUE grafts. Got a really nice result. This was him before. Pretty much was limited, didn't have a lot of hair there, and here he is today. At just 10 months, he's keeping a little bit of privacy, so that's why he's covering up his face. But you can see the before, and this is what he has now. You can see he got some really nice density. Put your head down just a bit, and you see how much coverage we were able to get for him. This was all achieved in one procedure, and most importantly, it was really, really looks natural and nice and feathered in. His donor area came from the back, a little bit on the sides, with a partial shave, which means we didn't have to shave the entire head, partial shave FUE. And the grafts mostly came from the back of the head. The majority of his grafts had 2 and 3 hairs, so with 2,000 grafts or so, we got around 4,500 hairs, which is why we were able to achieve, one of the reasons why we were able to achieve such a nice result. Anyway, key things for achieving an aesthetic appearance is irregular placement of the hairline grafts, forward angulation. That's all the way hair grows naturally in the scalp. Anyway, this is Dr. Epstein with a patient who is now 10 months out from just over 2,000 FUE grafts. Thank you.